We are going to construct a special quadrilateral BEND. Why is it special? Because it is a rhombus. And before we construct this, we must remember the properties of a rhombus. First property is all its four sides are equal, and the one important property which we will be using here is this one. Okay, the property which we are using this one, that the diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. This is the property that we are going to use today. Okay, so now first of all let us start by drawing our rough sketch, making a rough sketch and then label it B E N D. Okay, now let us see BN is 5.6, that means this one over here is my 5.6 centimeter and DE is 6.8 centimeters. So the horizontal diagonal is 6.5 centimeter. Okay, so now let us start constructing. Take your ruler and draw a line segment of measure 6.5 centimeter. Why 6.5 centimeter? Because that is the length of diagonal DE. So like this you will construct the, and then it is important that you should keep labeling it also DE, and it is 6.5 centimeter. Now what about the other diagonal BN? This other diagonal BN is perpendicular bisector of DE. So first of all what we need to do, we need to construct a perpendicular bisector of the line segment DE. Now how to construct a perpendicular bisector? You take your compass, put it at the one end of the line segment which you want to bisect, and open your compass anything more than half of the line segment that you want to bisect. Okay, anything more than half of this. So now with that radius you mark an upward and then mark an arc downward. Okay, then you need to keep the same radius what you have used right now. Take the same radius and put it at the other end of the line segment and cut the arcs which you have just made right now. Okay, and then you cut it like this. You get these 2 points over here at the top and at the bottom. These are the 2 points that we have got, this and this. So the line segment, the line which will pass through, these two, the line which will pass through these two lines points is our perpendicular bisector. Okay, so let us make the perpendicular bisector for this one. Let us make a line. So this is the perpendicular bisector of DE. Now this line is infinitely long because it is a line. It will go endlessly over here and there. It is a line. What about the line segment BN? It is a part of this line. Okay, so and we know that the diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. The length of the diagonal BN is 5.6 centimeter. What is half of 5.6? 5.6 divided by 2, it is 2.8 centimeter. So that means half of the diagonal should be, if I name it point O, half of the diagonal should be above point O and the remaining half should be below point O. So now how to locate a point which is 2.8 centimeter away from O? So how do we do that? We take our compass and open it of the radius 2.8 centimeter. Okay, we open it equals to 2.8 centimeter, and put it at vertex O, point O, and cut this line upward, cut this line like this, and cut it at the bottom also. Now these arcs are 2.8 centimeter from O and lying on the line which is perpendicular bisector of DE. So this point is my point P, and this point is my point N. Now what do we have to do? Join them. Join D to B, join E to B, okay, join D to N, and then join E to N. So this is the rhombus which was being asked in the question. We have constructed the rhombus and we are done. Thank you.